This tutorial will guide you through setting up private and public auction pages on your website. Log into your account and go to Admin. Go to the Websites section in your Admin panel. If you have multiple websites, choose the correct one and click Edit. Navigate to Private Auctions. Click the toggle to make the Private Auctions page visible on your website. Fill in the menu item text field that will appear on your website menu. Don't forget to translate the menu text into all supported languages. Click Add Slide to upload images or videos to your auction page. Complete the text fields at the bottom of the page and translate them into all supported languages. Click Save and Publish to make the changes live on your website. Go to Public Auctions and follow the same steps to set up the public auction page. You've now learned how to set up private and public auction pages on your website. Thank you for watching.